morning, children. Today we are going to do the question answers of lesson number 5. Grandpa tickles the tiger. So could you understand the story? I agree it was a little lengthy one, but I hope you have understood. You are a very intelligent lot. So I'm sure you have understood. Otherwise, only way out is to read it again and ask your doubts in the online class. Okay, you're free to ask the doubts. Let's start with the question answers. Exercises I am not sending you in the worksheet. Exercises we will do in the online class. Fine. I'm sending you the question answers now. Okay. Where did grandfather find the tiger cub? Where did grandfather find the tiger cub? Grandfather found the tiger cub while walking along a forest path. It was hiding among the roots of a which tree? Banyan tree. Where was the tiger cub hiding? Among the roots of a banyan tree. Who were the cub's two companions? Who were the companions he found at home? He found two companions. One monkey, what was its name? Toto. Toto the monkey, and a small mongrel puppy. Which grandfather had, this puppy also grandfather had brought from the road. He had found him on the road and brought it home. Okay. Getting it now? Answers? You'll have to read the lesson, At first, who was Timothy afraid of? Did he become friends with him after some time? How do you know this? At first, Timothy was afraid of the puppy. Can you imagine? A tiger was afraid of a puppy. At first, Timothy was afraid of the puppy. Did he become friends with him after some time? Of course, they became friends. How do we know it? We know this because he finally allowed the puppy to climb onto his back and rest there. The puppy was small, tiger was big in size. So he allowed the puppy to climb up his back and rest there. Funny, na? Puppy and Timothy both are very funny. What was one of Timothy's favorite games? When did he kick with delight? What was Timothy's favorite games? To stalk the people. One of Timothy's favorite games was to stalk anyone who would play with him. He would make a dash, and with whom would he do it? With the author, with the Ruskin Bond. He would make a dash for the author's feet, roll over on his back, and then kick with delight. He would rush to him and roll over on his back at his feet and then kick his legs with delight. Answer 5 we are not doing. In the writing I am not sending you. Let's do it here. Equal to a full grown retriever. किसके बारे में बात हो रही है? Size is this much. Favorite place in the house? The drawing room, where he would recline on the sofa. This we are talking about Timothy. What was his favorite place? The drawing room, where he would recline on the sofa. What were the habits? He had clean habits and would scrub his face with his paws like a cat. Where did he sleep at night? In the cook's quarters. And he was very anti to this cook and stalked him, and the cook used to be very worried. Okay. Why was Timothy sent to a zoo? Why were the zoo authorities happy to have him? Why was he sent to zoo? Because he was steadily gradually growing less friendly and had begun to stalk the cook about the house. He used to stalk him. Stalking, chasing with hiding and following. He started stalking the cook about the house with what looked like villainous intent. एक villain की feelings थी. Villains, you know, those who are bad people are called villains in movies. The zoo authorities were happy to have him because he was well fed and fairly civilized. He was brought up at home, so he was not like jungly animals. He was civilized, and they got him as a gift, and they did not have to spend any money. Free में दे रहे थे grandpa तो they were too happy to have him. They said हाँ छोड़ जाओ इसको, it's good, let him be in the zoo. They were happy to have him. Okay. When did grandfather visit the zoo again? After climbing the railing, what did he do? Mention 3 things that he did. When did grandfather visit the zoo again? Grandfather visited the zoo after 6 months. After 6 months, like when he left Timothy in the zoo, after that 6 months passed, and when he got a chance to visit the relatives in Lucknow, he thought of visiting the zoo and meet Timothy there. After climbing the railing, what did he do? After climbing the railing, when the tiger approached him, he put both his hands around his head. Hands around his head, tickled his ears, and smacked him across the mouth whenever he growled. Whenever he growled, he did these things: smacking his mouth, tickling his ears, and putting his hands around him. What did the old keeper tell grandfather about Timothy? In spite of this, what did grandfather do? Oh my God, this is the best part of the story. Yeah, the old keeper told grandpa that his tiger, Timothy, had died, had expired 2 months earlier only because of pneumonia. And in spite of this, even when grandfather realized that it was not his tiger, he went to that tiger, put his face near the tiger's face and mumbled, धीरे धीरे बोला, mumbling is, "Good night, Timothy." He said, "Good night, Timothy." Okay, so I'm sure you have understood the chapter and the questions. You are going to do them in a very, very neat handwriting in your English notebook. Okay, in your English notebook, you are going to do them very nicely. Exercises we will do in the online class. Please sit with the book and a sharpened pencil. Till then, bye-bye.